duckies! We're moving away. Wave, Chris! Chris! Hello! Wave at the camera! Okay, don't. Oh, moving quicker. La la la. La la la. Oh, lonely duck. So now we can smile. Smile. Bye bye, Club. I'll miss you. We're about to get lost. I'm not sure where we're going. Where are we going? I don't think he can even see where he is going. Look at all the water waffling. Smile, cat. Only got his Grandad, we're going to go into the grass. I think you might need to turn in a minute. There we go. Small boatsies. This is going to piss off. Oh dear. Relax, boats. Grandad, the river goes that way. Really?
Oh, we have that side of here.
We can't see anything because we're in the way. Oh, are they horses or cows? They're cows, aren't they, right?